Imagine driving down the highway when suddenly your check engine light flashes, your car loses power, and you're stuck with a massive repair bill. Scary, right? What if I told you that by doing a few simple monthly habits, you could avoid all of this? No engine failures, no surprise breakdowns, and no $1,000 mechanic scams. These aren't complicated, and they don't require special tools, but almost every driver ignores them. And that's why engines fail before their time. So stick around until the end, because I'll share 13 monthly habits that keep your engine running like new for life. Before we dive in, hit that like button, subscribe to Car Care Expert, and tap the bell, so you never miss secrets that save you thousands on car repairs. Number 1, check your engine oil level. Engine oil is the lifeblood of your car. Even if you change your oil on schedule, engines can burn or leak small amounts of oil you'll never notice. That tiny drop can add up to dangerously low oil levels. Each month, pull out the dipstick when the engine is cold, wipe it clean, reinsert, and check. If it's below the recommended level, top it up with the correct oil grade. Driving with low oil can destroy bearings, damage the crankshaft, and seize your engine. A 2-minute check prevents a $5,000 disaster. But oil isn't the only fluid that matters. Number 2 protects your engine from silent overheating. Number 2, inspect coolant levels. Overheating is one of the most common causes of engine failure, and the culprit is often low coolant. Every month, pop open your hood and look at the coolant reservoir. It should be between the MN and max marks. If it's low, top it up with the correct coolant mix. Never plain water unless it's an emergency. Low coolant means your engine is running hotter than it should, which warps cylinder heads and blows head gaskets. The fix costs hundreds, but a simple monthly glance prevents it. Now, coolant keeps things cool, but what about the thing most drivers forget until it's too late? Number 3, inspect belts and hoses. Your serpentine belt drives the alternator, water pump, and power steering. If it snaps, your engine overheats instantly. Each month, check for cracks, glazing, or fraying. Look at coolant and vacuum hoses for bulges, soft spots, or leaks. Catching wear early means you can replace a $30 belt instead of a $3,000 engine. But it's not just belts you should watch. Number 4 can sneak up without warning. Number 4, check for oil leaks under the car. A small oil drip today is tomorrow's empty crankcase. Park your car on a clean surface or cardboard once a month and check for leaks. Even tiny spots signal gasket, seal, or oil pan issues. Left unchecked, leaks lower oil pressure, starve your engine, and can cause catastrophic failure. Early detection means a cheap gasket change instead of a blown engine. Oil leaks are dangerous, but your air filter can quietly choke your engine too. Number 5, inspect the air filter. Engines need clean air to run efficiently. A clogged air filter reduces airflow, forces your engine to run rich, and can foul spark plugs. Check your filter monthly. It should look relatively clean and light should pass through it. If it's black, clogged, or covered in debris, replace it. It's a $20 fix that protects your engine from dirt and improves fuel economy. Clean air matters, but so does the power of your battery. Number 6, check the battery terminals. A weak battery doesn't just leave you stranded, it also stresses your alternator and ignition system. Once a month, check for corrosion on terminals, usually seen as white or green buildup. Clean it with baking soda and water, then coat with dielectric grease to prevent future corrosion. A healthy battery ensures your car starts strong and keeps electronics running smoothly. Now let's move from power to pressure. Number 7 is about keeping balance in your tires, but it also saves your engine. Number 7, check tire pressure. Underinflated tires make your engine work harder, increasing fuel consumption and stress on driveline components. Once a month, use a reliable pressure gauge and match the PSI on the driver's door sticker. Correct pressure extends tire life, improves handling, and reduces strain on your car's engine. Speaking of strain, what about the invisible gases in your exhaust? Number 8, scan for warning lights with an OBD2 tool. Don't wait for the check engine light to flash. Every month, plug in a $20 OBD2 scanner and check for pending codes. Many problems like misfires, oxygen sensor issues, or evap leaks show up before the light turns on. By catching small issues early, you prevent them from snowballing into full-blown engine failure. Now let's tackle something most people forget until the car overheats in traffic. Number 9. Inspect the radiator and cooling fans. Pop your hood, look for debris or bugs clogging the radiator fins. Clean them gently with compressed air or water. Also, listen for your cooling fan when the engine gets hot. If it doesn't kick in, you're a step away from overheating. A simple monthly inspection saves your car from warped heads and blown gaskets. Cooling is important, but fuel is just as critical. Let's check number 10. Number 10. Check fuel system health. Every month, listen to your fuel pump when turning the ignition key. A healthy pump makes a quick humming sound. Add a bottle of fuel system cleaner every few months to keep injectors from clogging. If injectors clog, your engine runs lean, overheats, and risks piston damage. Preventative care keeps your fuel system healthy and avoids costly repairs. And speaking of fuel, number 11 is the simplest step, yet it saves thousands. Number 11. Never let your tank go below 1/4. Running on fumes pulls debris and sediment into your fuel pump, clogging it and your injectors. Worse, the pump overheats because it's designed to be submerged in fuel. Replacing a fuel pump costs hundreds, but keeping your tank above 1/4 every month extends its life and protects your engine. While you're filling up, don't forget number 12. It's a big one. Number 12. Check oil color and smell. Once a month, rub a drop of oil between your fingers. Fresh oil is amber and smooth. Dark, gritty, or burnt-smelling oil signals contamination or overheating. This tells you more about your engine health than just mileage. If it looks or smells off, don't wait for the next oil change interval. Change it early. This simple check prevents sludge buildup that kills engines. And finally, the last step, on number 13, is the easiest, but it can double your engine's life. Number 13, listen to your engine. Once a month, turn off the radio and drive in silence. Listen for knocking, ticking, rattling, or rough idling. Unusual sounds are early warning signs of major problems. Catching them early means simple fixes instead of total failure. A driver who knows their engine's normal sound will always spot trouble before it's too late. Now that you know what to listen for, let's wrap this up. And there you have it. 13 simple monthly habits that protect your engine from failure and keep your car running like new for years. Most take less than 5 minutes, but they can save you thousands in repair bills. So tell me, which of these do you already practice, and which one are you starting this month? Drop your answer in the comments. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe to Car Care Xpert, and share this with a friend who always ignores their car maintenance. Stay sharp, drive smart, and I'll see you in the next video.